funny. Anyway, happy Monday to everyone. It's not really happy because it's so gloomy outside, and I think it's about to rain. Dark clouds everywhere. It's really gloomy. It's really sad looking thing. But yeah, just want to say hi to you all, guys. Yeah. So just to give you an update, I was really successful with the first day. Like when I tried to change my sleeping habits, I was able to sleep at around 10. Was that 10? And then I woke up at around I forgot what time it was. 7:30. Yeah. The next day, everything went south. Like I woke up late. I overslept. I overslept. And then today, I got up at around 11, or wake up around 11. So 10, 11, somewhere there. But yeah, it's really going back to that old trend. And yes, last night also I slept late, so we gotta do something. It's not like a one-time deal. Like I'm gonna do this and it's gonna happen the next day. So I just want to tell you guys, like whatever you try, whatever endeavors you do, whatever things you plan, it's not gonna happen on the first take. So yeah, that was the first take. I still need to work on it tomorrow, tonight also. So yeah, that's the update. Also, just want to say, how you guys going? We are at Victoria today. Just got around 532, 536. I forgot the numbers. I had it earlier. 500 plus case for yesterday. That's really, really bad. Hope we can get our acts together. But either way, yeah, that's it. Anyway, I'm just gonna go back to what I'm going to do. It's kind of cold. Might close this garage door and go back to my computer here. As you can see, I have this because my hair is a mess. I haven't been doing haircuts and everything. Oh, this is good lighting. Computer lighting. Anyway, yep, that's it for now. I don't know what's gonna happen next. Just want to say, like, yeah, I have a lot of plans for today, but those plans remain plans. I doubt if I'm gonna make a lot of things. It's already 2:44, which is nearly 3 p.m. and in a few hours it'll be 4:30. It's gonna be dark, and it sucks. It's not motivating to work in a dark when it's dark. What the fuck's my English? Yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna start editing yesterday's video. Let's do that. Also, I'm trying to do our New Zealand trip video, so I'm trying to edit it now, and just needing something for my voiceovers. Gotta look for one. Yeah. Catch up later. Okay, I'm out today because shut up, radio. I'm out today. I need to go out because the thing is I need to buy some stuffs. I need to get some supplies from Bunnings and get some more fruits. So yeah, that's why I'm out today. I don't want to go out. Like it sucks. Like yeah, you have to check at people. Like you have to, I don't know. And then after that, you have to wash. Like every time you're out, you have to wash. And it's really scary. We're getting around 200, 300. We had 500 in one day, so it's really scary here in Melbourne today. But yeah. Also, I woke up late, did some of my school works. Hope I can do better. Anyway, gotta drive now. Okay, just done with Bunnings. I can't film in Bunnings because yeah, it's crazy me filming in Bunnings. I'll be like those Karens who like film themselves and not wear masks. I don't want to be those. So yeah, I went to Bunnings and got some bird deterrent because I think there's birds shitting all over my balcony. I need to have them stay away. But anyway, I'm heading to Coles right now. I'm just trying to get some fruits. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Need to get some fruits for Laura, for both of us. Yeah. My glasses are fogging up because yeah, I have this face mask, but it's better to be safe. It's one of those days wherein you have no idea what happened, and suddenly the day's over. You wake up the next day, you realize you didn't film anything. By the way, I got those bird thingies, bird spikes. Yeah, I'm so excited to install them. So, yeah. Good night.